Dum chickadak dum dum chickadak dum dum chickadak dum dum chickadak dum dum pakak dum pakak dum pakak dum pakak dum chickadak dum chickadak dum chickadak dum pa 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 dum chickadak dum chickadak dum chickadak dum pa 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 dum chickadak dum chickadak dum chickadak dum brra हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड सुनसान रात बोलो ऐसी रात बोलो चल 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 स्टार्ट कर Hello and welcome back to Intrusive HR. For those of you who don't know us, because obviously you all don't, because this is our only second episode, we are just four guys speaking on random topics, and y'all are taking time out of your busy schedules and listening to us, so thank you so much for that. Our topic for today is everyone's very favorite Bollywood. But before we'd like to start, to all of you, did you all know that prominent actors and actresses in the industry do not favor the term Bollywood itself? They prefer the term Hindi film industry. They feel it's derogatory, apparently.
How is Bollywood derogatory?
So, Bollywood has come from the word Hollywood, right? And Hollywood was like the original this.
So they think it's like a cheap copy.
It's like a sasta copy of, and they don't feel like it doesn't pay its tributes to the legacy of the industry.
I feel bad for those Tollywood.
वैसे ही बोलने वाला था.
So that's how it started with Bollywood. Then it went Tollywood and all the other different states. They
Some
made their own.
Gujarati also has something, na?
क्या Gollywood.
नहीं यार ऐसे थोड़ी.
Something
I
तो
don't
is
know.
there.
The
God knows, yeah.
madness of the Gujuars.
क्या बोल रहा है? पता नहीं कुछ बोल रहा है.
Okay, moving on. So yeah, today we are going to talk about Bollywood. We are going to talk about movies. We're going to talk about directors. We're talking about the industry in general. So let's start with something very basic. So a movie that people dislike, the box office disliked. It got shit numbers at the box office, but you all really liked. Open to everyone.
I have one. I don't think people at that time. I think Ravan. When Ravan came out, it was a flop at the box office, but it was the first superhero movie in India. Like वो ट्रेन में भागता है ऐसे
रफ्तारे.
जैसे हमने अभी ट्यून किया वैसे सेम रफ्तारे का ट्यून था. And I still remember, I have that core memory. I was watching at PVR with my family. I came out and I was doing ऐसा, I was jumping around. पता नहीं रावण जैसा या जीवन जैसा जो भी था. And I think that was a movie which was very ahead of its time, and I don't think people appreciated that movie.
I don't think it was exactly a flop, but I remember for Shah Rukh Khan standards at that time, everyone was
Yeah, like
"Oh, what is
everyone,
this?" and all.
like it was very new to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
industry.
It was a very new genre in Indian cinema only, and
Agreed.
But after, like, I don't think the superhero industry after that also has been that good in India,
see
because
in India,
now you
हाँ.
see their track record.
What did we make?
They've come with Krish, Flying
Krish?
Jet,
Flying Jet.
Flying Jet,
Flying
and
Jet.
Grace is still nice.
Wasn't
the first part.
Kick
After.
Kick also wasn't
Oh,
he a
yeah.
superhero in that?
नहीं देखा है, देखना भी नहीं है.
Kick was not
अरे,
superhero थोड़ी था यार.
No, that the whole thing was there, na. Devi Lal, his name was, and
Devil.
Yeah, he's a superhero in the.
अरे
वही था.
superhero with zero superpowers. क्या है?
मेरे को बस याद है वो साइकिल चलाते पटरी पे.
हाँ वो सीन है उसका साइकिल चलाते छोड़ता और
मेरे को
पीछे ट्रेन
वो याद
जाता
है.
है.
But it got good numbers at the box office.
सलमान
I
खान.
like
It is Salman Khan.
See, Salman
I don't know
Khan
why.
releases the movie on Eid. How are they not gonna get? How is he not gonna
Eid,
get?
Diwali.
Yeah, good
हाँ,
numbers.
the big main days holiday फेस्टिवल टाइम पे रिलीज करता है. I think one more movie to your question. I think one which I don't think if you guys have also seen it or not. The movie Trapped. Have you guys seen it?
Oh, yeah.
Rajkumar
I've seen
Rao.
it.
It is
too good.
bloody brilliant. It had a budget of 50 crores. It made only 30 crores. It was a big flop.
Yeah.
It got hit. But that movie, so both of y'all haven't seen
On
it.
OTT or
No, proper.
Oh.
It was released. So Trap was Rajkumar Hirani ka film, and what was there in the movie was that he was trapped on some high floor of the building.
Oh,
Yes.
yes. देखा
And
है.
हाँ, and then what was done कि वो दो दिन तक ढूंढ रहा है कैसे बाहर जाऊँ. वो कबूतर को पकड़ के कबूतर खाता है. And that movie, and the way Rajkumar has acted in that movie, he's gone to like काकड़ी, मतलब पूरा इतना वजन कम किया
बहुत
है.
पहले का मूवी है.
It very before, मतलब I think 2015-16 में आया है.
Not seen the movie. Like I hadn't even heard about it.
Bro, you need to see.
वो अपना सुसु पीता है मूवी में.
Bear Grylls.
हाँ because उसको
सर्वाइवल
या
उसके पास है नहीं कुछ.
हाँ
आई थिंक मेरे को OTT याद है क्योंकि मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखा था.
हाँ मैंने भी
तो मेरे-
Netflix पे नहीं, Prime पे शायद.
हाँ
जिधर
मेरे
भी है,
बचपन
हाँ,
में मैं-
OTT.
मेरे को याद है बचपन मतलब 2015 हाँ
हाँ.
तो वही टाइम आई हैड सीन और आई स्टिल हैव सम मेमोरी ऑफ द फिल्म. वापस देखना पड़ेगा लेकिन.
Answering like another movie which is very underrated is like I have two. One is Detective Byomkesh Bakshi.
I have not seen.
I have not seen.
But I wanted to.
It
I've heard
is
it's
that
really good.
movie. That movie is one of the best mystery movies I think Bollywood has ever produced, and it is a very difficult movie to crack in general. Like till the end moment, you won't realize what is happening, and you won't be able to crack the
एंड
mystery.
दिस मूवी ऑल्सो केम बिफोर मतलब बहुत टाइम हो गया इसका बिकॉज व्हेन आई रिमेंबर मैं स्कूल फ्रेंड्स के साथ हम लोग प्लान में गए थे मेरे को घंटा समझ में नहीं आया था.
हाँ, it is a I think 2013 and 15 के बीच में आया होगा. सुशांत सिंह, one of his first movie. It was his Kaipo Che era.
समझा.
So in that era it came out, and another movie which is super underrated is Table Number 21.
Yes.
I love that
Too
movie.
I
underrated.
still need to see that.
That movie is beautiful. Like it is like almost the movie, like if you want a comparison, it is closest to the movie Jumanji.
Not
like-
seen that.
So
बोल रहा है
how have you not seen Jumanji?
पता नहीं.
It's a classic.
Bro, Jumanji 2 also. Like
Yeah.
खतरनाक movies है दोनों.
Like the original one is
Come on Arush.
I'll see.
देखना
up your
पड़ेगा,
movie
देखो.
game.
Get better.
Wait
हाँ,
till
but no.
people find out I haven't seen any Marvel movie then.
अरे हाँ ये Marvel fan
Then
नहीं
we're
है.
gonna get haters.
But yeah, I think Table Number 21 was wow. मेरे को तो देख के बहुत मजा आया था वो that entire वो जब
Yeah,
बाहर
when they
world
shake
आया था,
their-
bro,
पूरी world
वो goosebumps आए थे मेरे
And
को.
the music, like Man Mera is from that movie.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
For
Damn
lovely
nice, damn
movie.
nice.
For me, that movie has to be Tube Light.
What?
Salman Khan's Tube Light.
Why?
Now I know everyone found it like really, and I'll agree it was stretched, but it was a good movie. I personally liked it. It failed very badly because Salman Khan had just delivered Bajrangi Bhaijaan, if I'm not wrong, before that. So it failed miserably, and it was Kabir Khan again. But I honestly like Tube Light.
In my opinion, Salman Khan can't pull off a guy who's poor in every movie. Like, if he has done that movie before in that year only, he can't, like, it becomes like he gives that rich vibe. Matlab, I
And
don't know if
I think Salman Khan was retarded also, na, in that movie.
Yeah.
He was, na.
You can't say that.
I think the
You can't say the word. R word.
the R word.
Yeah.
बीप कर देंगे बीप.
Very good.
कंटिन्यू बोल तू बोल.
हाँ बस मेरे को मूवी अच्छा लगा. लंबा था थोड़ा बट ओवरऑल अच्छा था. आई डोंट थिंक इट डिजर्व द हेट एंड ऑल पीपल सेड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली क्रैप. मेरे को तो ठीक लगा. इट वाज फाइन.
नहीं ट्यूबलाइट आई सॉ मेरे को तो यक लगा था यार.
I don't know.
ऐसे करके वो हिलाता है ना पर्वत हिलाता है
Yeah.
ऐसे पर्वत बेंचो ऐसे करके माउंटेन हिलाता है.
पता नहीं सलमान खान मूवीज अब मैं देखना बंद कर दिया है. लाइक
बट उसने चेंज ही कर दिया अपना. लाइक ही हैड दिस वेरी गुड फेस बीच में when he was pairing up with Kabir Khan. That was I think one of the very good this. And I feel a lot of times it depends on the actor director combination also. And like some directors, like they just know how to properly, and they use, like for example, Rajkumar Hirani will use Boman Hirani in every film. A small role, whatever, but he will use, and that's how he
This guy
delivers.
अपना Love Ranjan using Kartik Aaryan.
Kartik Aaryan, yeah. So like that, it's a pairing. So speaking about directors and everything, there are certain directors I feel in the industry who always find a way to do well. Like irrespective, they won't necessarily deliver hits every time, but they deliver quality movies every time.
See,
And like I'll just start off. I think Neeraj Pandey is one director.
Yeah,
Who does
Neeraj
that?
Pandey is.
Can you give one
is-
हाँ, मैंने give
He
examples.
directed Special 26. He directed Baby. He directed MS Dhoni: The Untold Story, and he
Oh.
directed Naam Shabana.
oh damn, all 4 good
all,
movies.
all good
I think
movies.
he's directed only 4 movies
Oh,
that have released.
I didn't know that.
And all good movies.
was Baby a hit?
Yeah, bro, Baby was.
Baby
fine.
was a-
I love that movie.
I
Baby
also
is
love
ऐसा
that
such movie that I can rewatch it. मतलब I have rewatched it many
Yeah,
times.
but I don't have the memory of watching it.
Baby
in the
was
theater.
Akshay Kumar's soldier phase.
Yeah.
He released
Holiday.
Special 26, then Baby, and yeah, these 3 movies in
तो
one
बीच में
year.
वो हो गया था entertainment.
Yeah,
Dog के साथ.
बीच में.
See, you know अक्षय कुमार ना, अक्षय कुमार का फालतूगिरी है. He'll release beautiful movies, फिर एक हाउसफुल आता है.
But
फिर अच्छा movies.
वो साल में
फिर
5-6 तो
good
मूवी
news.
कर लेता है.
एक सेकंड, गुड न्यूज और गुड मूवी.
गुड न्यूज अच्छा दिलजीत वाला ना.
Good News, हाँ,
I like
वेरी
it.
गुड मूवी.
Quite decent. It didn't do well in the box office.
ठीक था.
मेरे को अच्छा लगा था. See,
Decent movie.
another director, I think, मतलब it's a similar question, a similar answer to yours. That's why I don't think this person has done more than 4 movies. Farhan Akhtar.
Oh yeah.
He has done
Forgot about
4 beautiful movies. Lakshya, that Hrithik ka
Yes.
soldier wala. Dawn 1, Dawn 2, Dawn 3 आएगा. He's done Dil Chahta Hai.
हाँ.
Dil Chahta is beautiful. And now that Jile Zara is coming. ZNMD
Oh,
का
yeah,
second
yeah.
part.
That's by him.
Yeah.
वो बस-
प्रियंका
I thought
I
it
चोपड़ा.
thought that's Zoya.
Yeah,
Zoya
even
थोड़ी
I-
फरहान है ना.
I think Zoya will do.
I thought it was.
मतलब
I thought it was Zoya.
Farhan has got into proper directing now.
now
so
he's gonna do directing
He will
only.
do in every film now. But
See, he
I
has
think-
his production house.
Yeah.
I forgot what is the name. If I don't
No
remember.
chance. No chance he may remember.
With Ritesh Sidhwani, both of them they produce movies, and all Zoya Akhtar movies, Dil Dhadkne, all these also na, they've only produced.
One more director is Ayan Mukherjee, because he's done Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Brahmastra, and 3 parts
Wake
of
Up Sid.
Wake Up Sid. So all lovely movies, but it again like gives me that question that to become like one of the stalwarts like for
Yeah.
directors, do you not need to be consistent? Like, because all the names we said have given only 5 to 6 movies at the most, and they are super hits, no doubt, but like they aren't so consistent
See,
as well.
the point is, sometimes now with directors, the thing is like, for example, a Karan Johar, someone like a Karan Johar, he keeps on delivering movies. Rohit Shetty keeps on delivering movies. So these people are someone जिनका कभी ना कभी तो flop आएगा. Like, and after a point, see, a director's style is also ना is very important, because अगर मैं continuous Karan Johar का 3 महीने में 3 मूवी रिलीज होगा, मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगा, because it's the same shit again and again, ideally. But with these, when you are spacing it out अच्छे से, and these people are ideally, they all people like Ayan Mukherjee, I think started off abhi matlab not abhi, but it's his starting career of the phase, considering a director career is very long. Farhan Akhtar did that short phase, like उसमें भी उसका फटाफट ही आया था movies. Dawn 1, Dawn 2, Lakshya and Dil Chahta Hai, everything was close by, and now I think he's going back to that. So it's that way only कि मतलब consistency तो obviously required है in order to prove it. Like these guys haven't proved themselves as the best directors, but their movies have been hits. मतलब we can't say that they are the best directors because उनके है ही 4-5 film. You can consider Karan Johar, I would say he's a very good, beautiful director, because उसका if he's done 1000 movies, उसमें से at least 90 हाँ legacy type है. So I don't think consistency is the key here, but yeah, these directors का movies are wow.
But like I had seen one AIB interview with Ranbir Kapoor. So he explained Ayan Mukherjee's working style as very casual with him. So like basically they will cancel 30 days ka shoot ऐसे one day पे if they are not liking it. So they I don't know now, but before they didn't have a proper schedule for a movie. So directors also have different style. Like they do trial and error. But someone like Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who will properly pay attention to sets, properly pay attention to the VFX, and like make a established like proper base wala film.
Yeah.
In that interview only he spoke about Anurag Basu also.
Yeah.
So Anurag Basu had delivered Life in a Metro. I don't know if you all have seen it. It's a really good movie. Then after that he did Barfi, which almost reached the Oscars and all that happened. And then after that he did Jaga Jasoos, which didn't do that well. But I think overall, it didn't do exceedingly well at the box office for Ranbir standards and everything. But it was a good movie.
This is Jagga Jasoos is that first thing that we were discussing. Box office flop. I think Jagga Jasoos was a box office flop.
Jagga Jasoos was a flop, but it's a very good movie.
I love that movie. I think that is something like Hollywood में किया है बहुत बार. It's the first time Bollywood tried it, and bro, I love that movie. Too good.
And then he did Ludo. Anurag Basu. And now he's doing Metro in Dino, which again it has a huge cast. It has Sara Ali Khan, Aditya Roy Kapoor, and all these people.
Anurag Basu is also someone who's delivered.
So I have this vivid memory of watching Tismar Khan, and I really liked it. And I know that it wasn't a great movie. That when people talk about it now, but even right now, if I'd watch it, I'd still have that little bit for it because I saw it when I was a kid. So do you all agree with the fact that nostalgia plays a very important role in your opinion of a movie? Because I feel it does. Like even if I've watched a very crap movie in my childhood, but it's a fond memory for me then. Right now, if I watch it again, I might not love it as much, but I'll know that it'll always like hold a special place for me because of nostalgia.
I think I agree with that because honestly, sometimes it happens that बहुत time ऐसा होता है. See, ऐसा I'm not saying this, but Delhi Valley I rewatched recently. I think you also saw it.
Yesterday I watched.
हाँ.
Laundry.
वो laundry.
Sir, laundry.
हाँ. तो I think that was one movie. मतलब I will still like it, but that is उल्टा nostalgia types. कि मेरे को उल्टा नॉस्टैल्जिया हिट हुआ कैसे कि मैंने तभी देखा था मेरे को घंटा समझ में नहीं आया था
हाँ.
बट अभी मैं देखा ब्रो ये क्या मूवी था
When you connect the dots
हाँ.
कि अरे shit ये गाली भी है कि तभी तो समझ में नहीं आता है.
भाई अब फॉर अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम मैं माँ बाप के सामने भाग डीके बोझ
अरे मैं बिल्डिंग में कहता था भाग डीके बोझ तो मेरे भाई बोलता था मत मतलब डीके बोझ तो लाइन में पूरा हो जाता है.
Someone sang this in our school in the assembly. Okay, and the teacher and the music teacher came up and she took the kid down. She just dragged him down and she was like, "Go,
चल बे
क्या गा रहा है?"
भाई
I remember this song releasing, and so this is the song that got me into Bollywood music. That is worse.
Good start.
Yeah, and I used to sing it so openly, and now I remember. Now I remember my chachi once telling me, "Please don't sing this."
Everyone I think has had
I
one.
was like,
अरे
why?
वो और एक
What
कौन
is
सा था
wrong?
तेरी तीखी सी नजर ने दिल
हाँ,
को
वो वाला।
कर दिया बैंक चोर और मैं पूरा बिल्डिंग में गाता
yes,
था
मेरे को अभी
क्योंकि
याद
बैंक
है।
चोर ही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना बैंक चोर बोल रहा हूँ सेम मेरा भाई मत गा बस
भाई
Arey, one more movie which not like as an understanding, but when I was a child, I saw this movie called New York. Okay.
Oh,
I've heard of it.
John Abraham.
Yeah, John Abraham, Neil Nitin Mukesh, and Katrina Kaif.
नीति नीतेश
The guy with 3 names.
हाँ भाई
So I saw that movie, and because of the way the movie is, they show the like New York ka jail and terrorism scene and all that over there. So it is very like how they frame Indians as terrorists over there. That so it is based on that, and there are some scenes of that movie. It was so scary because of how they showed the police and everything. It was so scary that when I saw it then, I was shit scared of the movie, and yet like if I see it now also, I just get those memories and I don't feel like watching the movie again. It's very weird in that
Yeah,
way.
that's what happens. You see a movie really long ago, and whatever anything you felt at that time, you rewatch it right now, you still feel.
Yeah, I think one such movie is also Chiller Party. Have you all seen?
yes
Yeah.
I love that movie.
Personal
Like, I
favorite.
still like it, but that is again a very nostalgic type of
Yeah,
movie
yeah.
because if that movie was to release today, I don't think I would enjoy it as much as I did back then.
Yeah,
because वो
You
नंगे
relate to it more, na?
अरे नंगे बच्चे घूम रहे हैं मैं हंसते रहूंगा पूरे पिक्चर में ये क्या हो रहा है बट
बेस्ट
तभी
तो वो था गूगली
गूगल हाँ बट वो टाइम में मेरे को बहुत मजा आया था आई लव दैट
A movie very similar to this Chankuli Ki Mankuli.
yes
I think
Best.
it is a core memory for all for most of Indian kids because it used to come on Pogo.
एंड
it used
आई तो
to
मेट
stream
दैट
on
एक्टर
both.
आल्सो मेरे को मैं एकदम पागल हो गया था मैं किधर तो गया था रास्ते में मिल गया मैं भाग के गया भाई
You got starstruck.
हाँ अरे
by
ऑनेस्टली
that kid.
किड नहीं
अच्छा,
The
the-
guy- the-
हाँ, वाला।
हाँ मैं तो पागल हो गया था ब्रो
I have met Darshil Safari.
हाँ
Dashi
even I-
Safari was a part of our college.
he was
Oh, which are?
he
Yeah.
was in my brother's batch I think
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't
Dashi
know.
Safari was a part of our college only.
अच्छा.
डैम
अभी तो कैंप्स कॉर्नर पे घूमता है
हाँ
ऑनेस्टली झूठ
अरे
नहीं
मैं
बोल रहा।
इसको मेट्रो में देखा.
हाँ, हाँ।
मूवी के लिए गया था वो
Oh.
मेट्रो में था.
बहुत
सर
मतलब-
शॉर्ट्स में.
उसने भी मूवी क्या था पता है जोको मैन
जोकोमैन
जोको मैन
भाई।
मेरे को बस
One
एक
more superhero of India.
मेरे को पूरे मूवी का मैं देखता रहा वो ट्रैम्पोलिन पे कूदते रहा मेरे को बस वो याद है
But Darshil Safari, I think उसका career child actor से
हाँ।
start हुआ, child actor पे ही खत्म हो गया. I don't
हाँ।
think
I-
उसके
वो
बाद-
अभी शॉर्ट मूवीज जो सब करता है
पर उसका एक्चुअली कोई प्रॉपर मूवी आया रिलीज हुआ
I don't think
आफ्टर
so.
अडल्टिंग
I don't
After?
अडल्टिंग मतलब बड़े होने के बाद हुआ उसका
think- अच्छा, I thought the
नहीं, he
movie
works
was-
in. I don't think he works in Hindi cinema anymore. He does all these.
he does
regional movies.
Amazon mini TV वाला
नहीं नहीं.
बीच में मराठी गुजराती ऐसा सब
हाँ. I think
Oh.
he does.
टप्पू
Like
जैसा
yeah, like him. Bhavya
भव्य
Gandhi.
गांधी
भव्य गांधी
वैसा ही.
Talking about child actors, I think Darshil Safari has to be one of the best performances as a child actor there is.
इन मूवीज और इन नॉर्मल टीवी सीरियल
Anything.
टप्पू भाई
टप्पू
ये
like
टप्पू
yeah,
actually
iconic
क्या था?
no
But
doubt
like
iconic but उसका
जब वो गाना
performance
बजता है टें 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 like बचपन का
अरे
पूरा
वो तो तारक मेहता में सबके पीछे एक ट्यून है like there's a tune for everyone
बबीता।
हाँ वही तो
और नहीं क्या तो ये अय्यर का भी क्या मस्त है
आई आई ओ
अय्यर
सो उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा था मुझे नहीं पता बट दर्शिल सफारी स्टूड आउट लाइक तारे जमीन पर इज नोन फॉर दर्शिल सफारी मोर देन आमिर खान ऑल्सो
It got in the whole the dyslexia thing. It introduced it to the
yeah
Indian audience and
introduced
everything.
it to lot of schools also.
Yeah.
Like I remember when that movie was released, वो बच्चे लोग को मालूम नहीं है क्या होता है ये सब टीचर्स वी विल वॉच तारे जमीन पर आई थिंक माई स्कूल
हाँ,
हैज शोड इट
सब
ट्वाइस
schools
आई थिंक
में
हर एक
दिखाया
स्कूल में दिखाया था
दिखाया
For sure.
कि ए तुमको नहीं लिखना था हो सकता है तुम डिसलेक्सिक ही हो बिकॉज उसके पहले that term was not इतना in
मेरा
my
भाई तो
school
था
never. क्या
मेरा भाई तो था तो आई थिंक तब
he was like hard relate
हाँ लाइक भाई आई फील यू
But speaking about this child actors, the movie that was defined by child actors was Bam Bam Bole. Have you all seen it?
oh yes
By any chance?
yes
in the movie.
ए नहीं
गाना है बम बम
No,
बोले
नहीं,
उसको
नहीं,
Bam Bam
नहीं,
Bole, the
नहीं,
movie,
नहीं,
the movie.
नहीं, नहीं, मैं
which
बोले ना,
has
मैं बोले ना,
Darshil
वो इतना
Safari
सोचा।
and Zia Vastani, guys.
हाँ
Yeah.
जिया बस्तानी
Yeah, yeah.
यार कौन
she was she was
yeah,
a child actor. I don't know where she was.
Oh.
अरे, one more child like it's not a movie but Tara Sutaria and Sweet Life of
Oh,
Sweet Life
yes,
of Karan
yes,
and
yes.
Kabir.
Best.
अरे बेस्ट ऑफ लक
Beauty.
निकी बेस्ट
She
ऑफ
shouldn't
लक
have
निकी
reached
movies
Bollywood, yeah.
हाँ यार she was
खराब-
good
खराब
उसकी-
कर रहा
Have you all seen that movie which used to come on Pogo? There was a group of children. Jackie Shroff was there. They run through the jungle for a
Bhoot
treasure.
Uncle, Bhoot Uncle.
नहीं, I don't think
Bhoot Uncle,
Bhoot Uncle, Bhoot Uncle,
Like
Bhoot
proper
Uncle.
लोग वो
हाँ, बहुत
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah,
wow.
yeah.
too
That
nostalgic.
also used to come on
Nostalgic
Pogo.
movies are wow. Like I think there should be a binge night just for nostalgic movies, and I don't think any one of us will get bored.
Which was one movie that you all feel like changed your life? But I'm not saying it very dramatically or like really impacted you. Or if not you, like the Indian audience overall, you all feel.
Rockstar. It I think switched the course of Ranbir Kapoor's career as well. And because that kind of a role wasn't portrayed before, especially by someone like a Ranbir Kapoor. And like Rockstar, along with the type of movie it was, even the music in the movie, like each and every song.
I can name 10 songs which were beautiful
Each
from
and every
that
song, the
All
entire
songs.
album,
All
the
songs.
entire album of that movie is
Yeah.
wonderful.
Bro,
And
I recently realized that it has given so many good songs.
Yeah,
फिर से
yeah.
उड़ चला, कुन फायाकुन, सड्डा हक,
नादान
तुम हो,
परिंदे.
नादान
नादान
परिंदे.
परिंदे.
Do you have you guys heard शहर में?
Yes.
शहर में हो मैं तेरे.
Lovely song.
हाँ,
कतियाँ करूँ.
कतियाँ करूँ.
कतियाँ करूँ.
Hava Hava.
हवा हवा. Bro, I for some reason I recently like genuinely like 5-7 days only before I randomly got वो होता ना recommended Bollywood playlist में मेरे को शहर में आया. मेरे को memory नहीं था मैंने play किया. I am hooked to that song.
It is. The entire playlist was made. I think A.R. Rahman and Mohit Chauhan.
Mohit Chauhan.
It was
It is-
peaked
yeah.
in that movie.
I think we can collectively agree it's the best
Yes.
Yeah.
best music album of all
Honestly.
Of all time.
time. Bollywood.
In Bollywood.
Bollywood.
I have other contenders which could be. So
Ye
which are
Jawani
up
Ye
there.
Diwani.
Yeah, Ye Jawani Ye Diwani.
Every
up there.
song is good.
Each and every song over
Yeah.
there. One more music album which is very underrated from a movie is Jab We Met.
Yeah.
तुमसे ही
तुमसे
आओगे जब तुम.
आओ मिलो चलो नगाड़ा नगाड़ा
Yes.
मौजाई
मौजा
मौजा
मौजा.
Each and every
आओगे
song.
जब तुम.
आओगे जब तुम,
Each and every song is a banger.
even अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी.
Yeah.
Yes,
प्रेम की
yes.
ना yeah.
See, in my opinion, now all these movies, like these songs, like all of them that we stated are beautiful music albums, but still I would give the edge to Rockstar because a music album like Rockstar covered each and every genre.
Yeah,
Bro,
I agree.
how the fuck did they do that? Like each and every genre has been covered in the movie. Like अभी जैसे ये जानिए that feel good songs are there.
Yes.
इसमें ये type के songs है. जब भी मैं it's a type. Bro,
And to
madness is.
imagine that Ranbir Kapoor portrayed all of those genres in song with through his acting in only one movie.
Bro,
it's just
madness.
madness to see.
Bro, Ranbir, wow, yaar.
A little
Madman.
unpopular opinion, but I didn't like the movie so much.
Rockstar.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because
It was
I think it was because people have hyped it up so much for me, and I saw it very late. When I saw it, I'm like, no, I mean, it's probably that.
A case of over. I don't think that the movie is excellent. Like I could rewatch it 1,000 times. वैसा movie नहीं है. It's a very good movie. You see it once, बस but you
Yeah.
enjoy that one
हाँ.
time.
Like Animal, you see it
Like
once and
Animal.
Yes.
bus.
You
I
see
was-
it
I was
once.
coming to that.
हाँ,
Ranveer in Animal is.
He's a different bro. I think Ranbir Kapoor, the way that man, Animal, the way he's acted, Sanju, the way he's acted. Ye Jaani Hai Diwani is a different kind of Ranbir
Yeah, yeah.
Kapoor. Rockstar is
Most
like,
versatile actor currently.
Wake Up Sid.
Wake Up said, yeah.
Yeah,
Wake
oh,
Up
yeah.
said a college student.
college student. Like that guy has played roles which are
The most versatile actor
हाँ,
right
हाँ,
now.
हाँ.
Your favorite film of 2023?
2023.
12th Fail, mine.
Oh, 12th fail.
Yeah.
Oh, you give it that much.
It
Yes,
came,
yes,
it came
easily.
recently on OTT. I didn't see it in.
It's very good.
I
saw it in
want
the
to see
theater.
now.
It's a beautiful movie.
I loved it.
12th Fail.
12th Fail.
Who's in the
Vikrant Massey.
तूने तेरे को मालूम ही नहीं कौन सा
No,
movie?
no,
Oh,
बहुत famous है.
Oscar के लिए
बहुत
nominated
famous है,
हाँ.
but
नहीं, देखा नहीं.
देखा नहीं.
It got nominated for the Oscars right now.
90% तो हुआ है.
My favorite movie of 2023. I don't think a lot of people would agree, but it was Jawan because it just got back what Shah Rukh Khan was for me. It was the comeback of Shah Rukh Khan in Always Possible for me. Like he just came back with a bang.
Yeah, like same for me also. Like Jawan was that one movie which, like, I won't say it was the best in terms of
Yeah,
story,
हाँ.
but that
We got a old Shah Rukh Khan back.
मतलब कि
It
वो
was
एंट्री
crazy.
कर रहा है सब
Yeah,
चिल्ला रहे हैं
yes.
like that vibe which I missed was again there. But also one shout out to Kho Gaye Hum Kahan which recently came.
Yeah,
I was
lovely movie.
that is my
lovely
favorite
movie.
movie. of 20. Like I would say it is a very low key movie. Like with this year, I think Rocky Rani came out. This अपना
Rocky Rani was
रणवीर
very
का
good.
कौन सा था? अरे shit.
तू
झूठी
Animal
मैं
में
मकार.
मकार.
अच्छा,
नहीं,
वो.
तू झूठी मैं मकार. So very good movies have been released this year, but खो गए हम कहाँ is one of my favorites. On like I saw it recently and it's very fresh
it
in my
released
mind.
only now.
अभी
हाँ
3 हफ्ते पहले तो आया.
It released very recently. मेरे दिमाग में fresh है इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. But that movie is just beautiful.
It just shows how everyone is.
Yeah,
It shows
and,
how
and
we
it's
are.
the
हाँ.
truth. Like it's exactly it's portraying everything that is
yeah.
actually happening.
Whenever we are sad, कुछ sad story डाल दिया कभी.
हाँ.
कभी कुछ दिखाना है किसी को डाल
वो
दिया.
depressing quote के.
खो गए हम कहाँ is a beautiful movie.
Very accurate.
But Animal also you have to see that movie got a lot of hate because of the storyline and stuff. But no, bro.
See, Animal.
Animal. The only reason I'm saying Animal has to be kept up there is because भाड़ में गया story. Just look at the direction and the acting. Because I'm not saying it's the best movie,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the direction. Who would have thought that a Marathi Gana will be used for?
अरे
Yes, yes.
देख एनिमल पे ना जितना भी बोले ये मिसोजिनिस्ट है मिसोजिनिस्ट डायरेक्टर भी बोल रहा है मिसोजिनिस्ट बट ऐसा टाइप ऑफ सिनेमा आया ही नहीं है हिंदी
हाँ.
म्यूजिक हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री
See,
में
the point is only
Bollywood.
that.
हिंदी
अच्छा,
फिल्म
to piss them
इंडस्ट्री
off. But नहीं तो वही पॉइंट है ना एनिमल का कि मूवी भले जैसा भी है जो लोग को जो बोलना है बोले बट दैट डायरेक्शन द वे दैट वांगा हैज डन व्हाट इज दिस सॉरी
संदीप रेड्डी वांगा.
संदीप रेड्डी वांगा रेड्डी जो भी है यार जो भी नाम है यार संदीप रेड्डी वांगा द वे ही इज डन इट एंड द वे रणबीर एंड एवरीवन हैज डन जस्टिस टू दैट मूवी ब्यूटीफुल
The only thing I have is if you can keep the audience engaged for 4 hours. The movie was 4 hours long. Through such a movie, you have done a
I
good
was
job.
तो not engaged. ऐसे
अरे, तू
personally
मस्ती
speaking.
करने में देखा था.
अरे if you actually see the movie ना तो
हाँ, मतलब one time watch ठीक है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ story line इतना
हाँ.
अच्छा नहीं है बट
I agree,
जैसे
yes.
पोर्ट्रे किया उसका डैडी इश्यूज पोर्ट्रे किया
हाँ,
एक साइड पे उसका
सुनाई दे रहा है बहरा नहीं हूँ मैं.
पापा
It is a one-time watch only.
यस यस वन टाइम वॉच
but
I don't know if I'll watch Animal Park. I don't know.
हाँ वो क्या था वो क्या था भाई.
after watching Animal
Yes.
I will watch Animal
आई
Park
विल वॉच
I don't know.
मतलब I'll also watch but क्या था वो
It
मतलब.
will, अरे वो पागल हो
वो
जाएगा
कुछ भी-
रणबीर कपूर
हाँ.
कमिंग एज हिज ओन विलेन
वो वही मेरे को रणबीर कपूर को वो रोल में भी देखना
हाँ, वही.
बिकॉज़ वो एंड में उसने जो मारा था क्या किया था बंदे ने
But कुछ ज्यादा ही double नहीं था movie में.
है वायलेंस बट
इट इज था एक्स्ट्रा बट दैट वन वो जो व्हाई डिड एनिमल पार्क बिकेम सो ऐसा कि मेरे को देखना ही है करके द वे ही शोन दैट मेंटल आदमी ना उसमें कि अगर बिकॉज फुल मूवी सीन रणबीर कपूर को कैसा दिखाया है
Yeah, yeah.
एंड देन जो डबल बॉडी डबल क्रिएट किया है
Yeah.
वो उससे ज्यादा ये जो पोर्ट्रेड डबल ऑफ दैट इन 3 minutes उसको बोलता है ये देख बराबर है फिर उसको मारता है चाकू से पूरा
प्रॉपर मार्वल जैसा लास्ट वाला था.
हाँ,
कि shit सब लोग बैठे हैं.
I just realized Animal देखे मतलब Animal में Bobby Deol got so much hope. Hope sorry, Bobby Deol got so much hype.
he also got hope कि अभी मेरा अच्छा जाएगा hopefully जाए I love that
Bobby
man,
Deol,
but-
Bobby Deol got so much hype. The only reason he did get so much hype, no, was because he didn't have a line in the movie.
अरे हाँ वो
वो हाँ he didn't
he
have a
was
line in the
mute
movie.
in the movie. He got so much hype क्योंकि अगर वो मुंह खोलता मेरे हिसाब से वो हक देता. उसका रोल इतना नहीं आता.
बट आई थिंक उसको लाइक बहुत सालों से ही इज ओनली लाइक ऐसे
आश्रम कर रहा है ना वो रिसेंटली.
आश्रम कौन सा मूवी है
अरे
मूवी नहीं है
OTT.
उसका
अच्छा.
OTT सीरीज है
बट
कुछ है,
लाइक आई एम सेइंग
season पे season कर रहा है
मेजरली ही हैज डन ऐसे प्रोटैगनिस्ट वाला रोल हमेशा.
हाँ.
आई थिंक ये वाले रोल में ही आल्सो एंजॉयज ही सेड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट
This Bobby Deol का beautiful like the way he got that comeback ना. I feel actually very happy for the entire Deol family. Everyone got a comeback.
Yeah.
वो
धर्मेंद्र also.
हाँ
all of
उसका
them,
वो संदेश
Yeah, it was a year for them. Year for the
सब
Deol
लोग का मस्त
family.
comeback आया, सब खुशी खुशी अभी मजा आया. ऐसा था उन लोग का.
After watching Animal and the everything that happened around it, I have this question: is a movie supposed to make you think?
Make you what? Sorry.
Make you think?
डिपेंड्स
Are you supposed to reflect after a movie, or
No.
are you just supposed to be
It
entertained?
depends on a genre. See, if it's a comedy movie, no. मेरे को नहीं सोचना है. मैं जाऊंगा, हंसूंगा, निकल जाऊंगा. If it's an action thriller or something like that या कुछ भी वो टाइप का मैं सोचूंगा. So it depends on the genre. For something like a खिचड़ी. Have you guys seen खिचड़ी?
Yeah.
That movie, I can watch it. You can just play it and do your own shit because that movie it is a very bad movie. But वो मेरे को देख के ऐसा लगता है हाँ माइंड फ्रेश हो गया. It's a time pass वाला movie.
अभी see the cinema now is also going towards that phase के people will ऐसा go enjoy those 3 hours 4 hours whatever it is and then get back to their lives. It doesn't require only reflecting now. It is just you watch you be engaged for those 3 hours whatever it is and then you get back to your life. That is what cinema is for me.
In my opinion, I would prefer a movie that would make me think and make me reflect upon the movie after I've seen it. I would prefer such movies. Same. I would prefer such movies, but अभी ऐसा हर movie वैसा होना जरूरी नहीं है.
Also, I think it's on your mood.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the episode. Before we end, we'll play one very short game.
Yeah.
So it is. If you all have seen Coffee with Karan, I think it's played a lot out there. It is badly explained movie plots. I'll be saying a movie plot, and you all just simply have to guess what the movie is.
Chalo,
Okay.
done.
There are very 5 mainstream movies. So yeah, I mean it's pretty easy. Okay.
Yeah, chalo.
So first one is 2 girls give up on pani puri and long hair to succeed in a career.
Dangal.
Good. Okay.
अरे
Good
let's
one.
go.
Wow.
Okay.
1 point. It's a competition.
हाँ.
Yes.
1-0-0.
One protagonist loses to the other protagonist. One protagonist loses to let the other protagonist win because he has daddy issues.
Student of the year.
Animal.
Oh.
Student of the year.
Oh
Student
shit.
of-
Oh.
student of the
Yes.
year.
Animal
Daddy issues तो है but
Daddy issues.
हाँ मेरे को डैडी इश्यूज लगा.
हाँ, नहीं, नहीं.
1-1-0.
1-1-0.
Okay. The actress lives her whole life and follows the actor everywhere with the hope that one day he will find the button he
Ashiki
had
2.
lost.
क्या?
He will find the button he had lost.
ब्रह्मास्त्र.
Yes.
हाँ.
अरे
Complete.
आशिकी 2 था तब तक कि
उसको complete
अरे
करना
यार shit.
Okay. This is very,
2-1-0.
Zero
this is very
number.
easy. The group needs to pull off a heist, but for the same they need the help of a bar dancer.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
लवली हो गई.
Hey, अभी तू मत जीत.
मैं कैसे जीतूंगा?
tie नहीं होना
अच्छा
चाहिए.
वैसे
तू answer मत कर.
देखते हैं ना. नहीं क्यों?
अरे टाइम हो जाएगा.
Okay, last one. A family goes to eat pav bhaji at a restaurant far from the house to get away with murder.
1 अक्टूबर 2 अक्टूबर 2 अक्टूबर मैं 2 अक्टूबर बोल रहा हूँ दृश्यम मेरे मन में आया 2 अक्टूबर क्या है वो सत्संग भी आया है
What a movie. Wow.
Lovely.
अरे दृश्यम 2 also. दृश्यम 2.
Drishyam 2. They're making one more now.
Yes, दृश्यम 3 बना रहे हैं.
दृश्यम 2 नहीं
three
देखा
coming.
मैंने. अब
Oh,
दृश्यम 2 मैंने नहीं देखा. तुम
तू तो
देखा.
गेम
अरे देख ले भाई.
देखना है.
कैसे नहीं देखा?
तो पूरा स्टोरी
नॉन मूवी वॉचर
दृश्यम 2 तो देखना
देख
चाहिए.
देख द मूवी यू हैवंट वॉच आज देख रहा
ब्रो ऑनेस्टली मेरे को मैं जब ये बोल रहा था मैं सेकंड ऑर्डर
भाई मैं सत्संग तक सोच लिया यार
3-2-0.
यस चलो
Okay, so winners Vanshraj, congratulations.
Whoa, what does he get?
Clap for me.
What does he get?
एक clap करना.
You
Clap,
get
clap, clap.
हाँ.
our recognition. What else?
Respect. I get your guys'
Respect. Okay, yeah. So I guess that's it for our episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, everything. You can
Comment down.
We can cut this. We don't beg. But
कोई
yeah.
तरीका है भीख मांगने का
No, but on a serious note, subscribe.